I've realized from a very young age that to be truly free in this world, you need a fuck ton of money. But I'm gonna be completely honest with you. Money isn't the only thing that determines whether you are free or not. Because you can have a lot of money. Say you work a high-paying career. You are a doctor, a lawyer, a banker, these kinds of prestigious careers your parents want you to have. You make 6 figures a year. You are a success by every standard in society. You drive a Benz, you wear a nice suit. You've got high social status in the eyes of others. Yet, you're not really free. You just wear golden handcuffs. Why? Because you have no geographical freedom. You can't really decide on a whim to go and spend 3 months on the other side of the world. You don't have that level of freedom. You have to show up at the office at 9, leave at 5. And that's what your parents told you to do. They told you go to school, be a good student, listen to the teachers, get the best grades you can so you can get into the best possible universities, and then just slowly climb the corporate ladder, and one day you'll be wealthy, you'll be successful, you'll be happy. And a lot of people did all of that and they're miserable, even though they make 6 figures, because they don't have freedom. In my opinion, the only time you should go for a high-paying career or any kind of career is if that's genuinely your heart's desires. If that is your true calling in life, then do it. But if you're like me, you just want to make a fuck ton of money, 10,000, 20,000, even $100,000 a month, doing something that you love, I'll tell you, the best way to do that is to sell digital products around your passion or the thing you have an interest in on the internet. That is literally how you get rich. Everyone that you see on social media, every young, rich person, like millionaire level, what's the thing they all have in common? They sell digital products. I know online you will hear lots of people telling you, oh, I got rich with dropshipping, with day trading, with crypto, with, Amazon FBA, all this fucking bullshit. Well, if you just look at what they do instead of listening to what they say only, they actually sell digital products. And that's how they make millions in profit. On my best days at my peak, I made up to $2,600 in profit. Like, that's cash collected in my Stripe account. It's not revenue. Revenue is more than that. And do you seriously think that would have been possible? I made that when I was 22 years old, so last year, now I'm 23. Do you seriously believe that would have been possible for a 22-year-old with any job in the world? Absolutely not. And let's be honest, if you had to pick between 2 options, option A, you do something that you love for a living. You talk about your passion on social media and you make money from digital products. You make $10,000 a month. And option B, you've got a high-paying career. Maybe you hate it, maybe you tolerate it, whatever, and you make $10,000 a month. Which option would you pick? The one where you can travel anytime you want, you just make a lot of money talking about what you love and surrounding yourself with people who also love that thing you're passionate about? Or just working a regular job, going to work at 9, leaving at 5, being stuck in traffic for an hour a day, not being able to go on vacation whenever you want. You have to ask daddy boss for permission. Which option would you pick? No one in their right mind would pick option 2 unless they genuinely love it. They love going to the office. It's like their home. But that's gonna be 1% of people maybe, out of everybody that works on planet Earth. I was lucky enough to realize that when I was young in my life. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast.